morning. This is our Hoover Headlines Perspectives. In this short segment, we will be talking to some of our fifth grade students. Hello, can you say your name and what grade did you start attending Hoover Elementary?
My name is Isaias, and I started attending at Hoover in 4th grade.
Hello, my name is Bruno, and I started attending Hoover in 4th grade.
Hello, my name is Eddie. I started attending Hoover in 3rd grade.
Going back to your time here at Hoover, did you have any unforgettable or favorite moments that happened to you here?
I will never forget by seeing my first teacher, which is Miss Ryan.
I will never forget making many friends.
I will never forget when I started learning new things and start passing more tests.
Of all the teachers that you had here, which one of them will you remember the most?
Of all the teachers I have had at Hoover, I will never forget Miss Ward because she was the most fun and most kind teacher I had.
Out of all the teachers I've had at Hoover, I will never forget Miss Creticos because she was funny.
Of all the teachers I had at Hoover, I will never forget Miss Hernandez because she was kind and nice with giving out candy.
Did you make any friends here at Hoover, and will they go to the same school with you?
I can't say that I made a lot of friends, but I made few, and they are going with me next year.
I've made a lot of friends. I can't really say all of them because I forgot some of their names. Like Eddie, Joaquin, and Angel. And they were not going to be coming in the same school as me.
I made some friends at Hoover like Bruno, Joaquin, and Angel, and they're gonna come to Sierra.
What school will you be attending next year, and how do you feel about attending a totally different school?
Next year I will be attending Sierra, and I think I'm not really happy about that because I've heard that there's gonna be a lot of fights there. There's a lot of fights. A lot.
Oh, I don't know what school I'm going to because I'm going to move at the end of the year. So, and I feel nervous, I guess.
Next year I will be attending Sierra because I am scared because there's gonna be a lot of people.
I know it is a bit early to ask, but how do you guys see yourself in the future? What do you want to become when you grow up?
I want to be a marine biologist because I love sea creatures.
I want to be a lawyer because people say I'm good at arguing.
When I grow up, I want to be a engineer to build stuff like, I don't know, like houses. Yeah, something to change the world.
Before we finish, would you like to say anything else?
Yes. I want to say thank you to my wonderful teachers, Miss Ward and Miss Ryan. And go Hoover.
Yes, and I would like to say that I'm gonna miss all my friends.
Yes, I would like to say something. I will miss my teachers and go Hoover.